Hi guys, my name is Jesseline and this is going to be about volumes of pyramids and cones. So we're going to learn the formulas and then we're going to plug in the numbers and we'll solve it. So a pyramid, a volume of a pyramid is volume equals base times height divided by 3. We know the big B stands for area of base, okay? Stands for area of base. So the volume of a pyramid is base times height, and then at the very end, we're going to divide it by 3. If you notice, this is a formula for the prisms. Volume equals base times height. The only difference here is we divide it by 3, which means that the pyramid, if a pyramid and a prism had the exact same measurements, that means that 3 of those pyramids could fit into that rectangular prism, because that's how we divide it by 3. So if we had a pyramid, let's say a triangular pyramid, again, I cannot draw a triangular pyramid to save my life, but we will try it. I stink at this so bad. So I'm just going to tell you the measurements of the base. So we have a triangular pyramid, and so we know that the measurements of the base, I'm just going to rewrite it, 4 and 7, and then the height of the actual pyramid is 6. Okay, so this is the actual triangular pyramid. This is another drawing of the base of the pyramid because we know it's a triangular pyramid, so it's a triangle. So big B is area of this triangle, base times height divided by 2. So we got to find B, base times height divided by 2. So it's 28 divided by 2, which is 14. We know the height of the actual pyramid is 6. And so now because see 6, now we know where everything goes. So we have the B, which is 14, times the height, which is 6, and then all divided by 3. So when we do that, 14 times 6 and then divided by 3, we get 28 centimeters cubed. 28 centimeters cubed. Because that's what you do. You do 14 times 6 and then divide it by 3. Okay, another pyramid. What if we have a square pyramid? I'm a little bit better at drawing those. So square pyramid. I say I'm a little bit better at drawing those, and then I can't do it. Okay. There we go. Square pyramid, 14, 6, and then the height of the pyramid is 10. Okay, so we have a square pyramid here. It's a 14 by 6, well, I guess not a square pyramid, a rectangular pyramid. 14 by 6 rectangle, and then the height of the pyramid is 10. So volume equals area of the base, so we need to find area of the base. So that would be, the base is a 10 by 14, or 6 by 14. 6 by 14 rectangle, so 6 times 14, and that would equal 84. And then the height of the pyramid is 10. So here we go. I'm going to plug all this into that formula. So big B is 84 times the height, which is 10, and then all divided by 3. So there we go. We have everything plugged in. Big B, little h, all divided by 3. And we just solved it. 84 times 10, and then divide it by 3. And you get 280 meters cubed. 280 meters cubed is the answer. Okay, let's do a cone. So a cone is volume is area of the base, which is a circle, so that's pi r squared, and then h. So it's basically the same thing, except I like to just already insert pi r squared into the area of the base. So the volume of a cone is pi r squared h, and then again we're going to divide it by 3. So it's actually the same formula as a cylinder, except for the divide by 3. So that means if we have a cylinder and a cone, all the same measurements, then 3 cones would fit inside that cylinder. So let's have a cone. So we have a cone. Radius is 3, and the height is 7. So radius is 3 and the height is 7. So the volume of this cone would be pi r squared h. So pi r squared times h, which is 7, and then all divided by 3. So again, I'm not going to do terms of pi just yet, or multiply 3 by pi. I'll do 3 squared, which is 9, and then times 7, which is 63. So that'd be 63 pi divided by 3. So 63 pi divided by 3. And then I can 63 pi divided by 3. And then if you want to, you can put it you can write that in terms of pi. But if you want to, now if your teacher says, hey, I need you to put it in decimal form, do 63 times 3.14 divided by 3, and you get 65.94 meters squared. Everything's meters. Okay, when you plug it in. So simple, you just plug it in, plug in the numbers, and then do the calculations. And that is how you find volume of a cone and pyramids. Thank you for watching.